Air India cancels 3 international flights due to maintenance, technical and other issues. Air India has cancelled 3 of its international flights on Wednesday owing to various reasons, including maintenance and technical issues. 2 of these flights were cancelled after the passengers had already boarded the aircraft, the airline said. The airline said it had to cancel its Toronto-Delhi flight AI-188 of June 18 due to extended maintenance and consequently operating crew coming under regulatory flight duty time limitation norms. Passengers, who had already boarded the aircraft, were disembarked following cancellation of the flight, it said. Also, flight AI-996 from Dubai to Delhi on June 18, 2025 was cancelled due to technical reasons and passengers were disembarked after boarding, as per Air India. However, the airline's flight AI-2145 from Delhi to Bali was cancelled after it was advised to return to Delhi midway due to reports of volcanic eruption near the destination airport Bali. In the interest of safety, Air India stated. The flight safely landed back in Delhi and all passengers were disembarked. Air India said its teams on the ground are making alternative arrangements for the passengers to fly to their respective destinations at the earliest. Full refunds on cancellation or complimentary rescheduling have also been offered to passengers. Air India said it is anticipating some disruptions in its flight operations due to the continuing enhanced checks on the airline's Boeing 787 fleet coupled with airspace restrictions and inclement weather. On June 13, a day after the B7878 crash that killed 241 people on board, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation ordered enhanced surveillance of Air India's Boeing 787 fleet, comprising 26 7878 and 7879 planes. Since the Ahmedabad crash, Air India cancelled 66 flights to be operated with Boeing 787 between June 12 and June 17. Multiple flights have been cancelled or delayed citing technical issues. At a review meeting with top executives of Air India and Air India Express, aviation safety regulator DGCA flagged concerns regarding recent maintenance-related issues reported at Air India and advised the airline to strengthen internal coordination across engineering, operations, ground handling units and ensure availability of adequate spares to mitigate passenger delays. Swipe left for next video. It however said that recent surveillance on Air India's Boeing 787 fleet did not reveal any major safety concerns. The aircraft and associated maintenance systems were found to be in compliance with existing safety standards, DGCA said in a post-review meeting statement. Latest blogs.